Okay, moment of truth. Oh, fucker. I can't do it with one fucking hand, bro. Okay, here we go. Alright, let's see. Let's see where your rod knocks at. Fuck yeah, like Limp Bizkit.
Yeah, I was about to say, fuck you.
Why are you asking? Hell yeah, dude. Limp Bizkit fucks. Dude, I'm pretty sure it's still underwater. Like, that bitch is moving. Like, that big time. I mean, there's supposed to be a little play, but I don't know. Okay, so let's get the girdle off. If I can get it off. There we go. Alright, so we'll check out the mains. I don't know, the mains look good to me. Well, maybe not. I don't know. Alright, just to double check. Yep, it's totally that one. Yep, it's totally that one. This is what could be going on with your fucking pilot, by the way. Alright, moment of fucking truth. Yeah, try and get the screwdriver in there.
No, it's still stuck.
Yeah, it's still stuck a little bit. I think it's hitting the floor probably at that point. So the bearing's out on that one. But yep. It was about to throw a rod, but it totally broke a bearing.